Okay, so today we're opening some Unbroken bonds packs for myself. I bought 9 of these from my local card shop because they were cheap and I wanted a ton of packs. So in the first pack, what will we pull? If I can open, I'm sweating because I just got back and it's actually just so hot outside today. 32, 31 degrees every day this week. Okay, open the pack. I bought stuff from here this week as well. Is it this way? It is this way. Here's the pack. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Off for the energy. Martial Arts Dojo. Fairy Charm. Polly Wow. Okay, it's a tag team. Clefairy. Polly Wag. Eakins. Drowsy. Pikachu winking to the camera because he's tragic. Oh my god, I see what it is. Oh, gee, where's my sleeves? Let me get my sleeves. Oh my, this card, I've been looking for so long, and I finally got it. Full art, Charizard and Rasham. And on the back of the sleeve I've got this, because I bought this from the starter pack. That is a pack opening start, boys. Oh, Jesus, nothing's going to top that, unless I get another, like, if I hit Rainbow Rare, but I doubt I will. Oh, I was hoping I'd get the Rainbow Rare, but the full art does the same job. Now we try to open the packs again. If you guys haven't noticed, this long range channel, I have failed to open packs so many times. It's because my hands are so sweaty. I've never struggled this hard. Okay, I opened it. I finally opened it off camera, but I've opened it. I can go in the bin real quick. Okay. Download code. Upside down, but does the same job. How many to the front? 1, 2, 3 to the front. Energy is fighting, and we go again. Dust Island. Fire Crystal. Weeping Bell. Yes, finally got that as well, finally. Rhyhorn, Meltan, Spearow, Lickitung, Litten, Kyurem, and a Honchkrow GX. Let's get my sleeves again. I'm sure I put these next to the camera, because it's a lot easier that way. But I'm very happy with that card. So what the attacks on this thing? Ruler of the Night, Feather Storm, and Unfed GX. That's 2 GXs out of 2 packs. It can't get any. It's going to go downhill from here. The way I open packs varies from pack to pack, but there you go. Download code. Upside down again, but I'm incompetent, so it's fine. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Discard the fairy energy, and we take Welder, Haunter, Croaker, Togepi, Pikachu, Macro, Rhyhorn, Meltan, Glamour, and a non-holo Butterfree. That's an okay pack. I'm happy with the Butterfree because I need one of these for my collection. I bought so many Pokemon cards recently. Actually, no. Okay, that's not good. I dropped one on the floor, but I know I have got a holo in here somewhere, so let's scoop them all up and just open them in the order open them. Download code's here. Picking it all up, it's green, so nothing good like this one. Here is the download code. Crypto Fresh, Diglett, Frogger Upside Down, Poliwag, Inkay, Tentacle, Energy, Pit, Guska, Drowsy, Arcanine Reverse Holo will go in, and Poliwrath. Right, that pack was problematic, but as we see, Charizard and Rasham, we've just got that. Will we get another? Doubt, but I'll be super happy if I did. Opened it the wrong way as well because I'm incompetent. Okay, download code. 3 to the front, get rid of the energy. I didn't even check. Graveler, Porygon 2, Martial Arts Dojo, Inkay, Tentacle, Drowsy, Cubone, Crawl, Zudong Reverse Holo, and a Alola Dog Trio. And I've just screwed the pack up again. Because I'm incompetent again, once again. But I didn't screw it up too badly, and we get to open it. There we go. I think that went on camera, I hope it did. I don't really care, but energy off. Porygon 2, Ultra Forest, Golbat, Koofin, Dog Duo, Poliwag, Spitzy, Lickitung, Growlithe, and Victory Pearl. That's an okay pack. Again, once again, I'm not complaining with what I've been getting from this pack opening. I can't actually chat. I'm so sorry guys about the time wasting. I waste so much time trying to open packs on this channel, it's unbelievable. Waste goes there. Download code. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Get rid of the water energy. As I screw the camera up again because I'm an idiot. There we go, that's better. We get a Porygon 2, Dog Duo, Metapod, Diglett, Poliwag, Rhyhorn, Growlithe, Cubone, Diglett, and a whatever that is. I'm not really questioning. So we have 2 packs left. We have a Rhyhorn and these 2. So I'll open the Sylveon and Gardevoir one first. I recently packed one of these out of one of these packs. I was very lucky. I thought that'd be the best, most expensive GX ever pack, but apparently not. Download code. You guys can see that. It's upside down. I know it is. Shut up. You've noticed that. Electric energy. Okay. Thero, Graveler, Metal Core Barrier, Royal, Porygon, Inkay, Caterpie, Fairy, and Zeracore, and then a Dewdong. And the last pack, I don't think we'll have anything good because we've already pulled the best 2 I could possibly hope for. But we'll see, we'll see. I pulled a card that I couldn't actually have imagined pulling recently. Okay, this is a really terrible last pack, but here you go. If that's seen enough, I don't really care. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Disperse the energy. And here we go. For the last pack, Rhydon, Wartortle, Cafella, Royala, Porygon, Inkay, Caterpie again. I regret doing that, but yeah, I'm never going to throw in the bin. It's a useless card to me. And then a Clefairy, and a Mohawk. Okay. I couldn't have been more happy with this opening. With these bad boys being packed. That card in particular is beautiful. If I've got to pack it. Right. Thank you guys all for watching in this episode of just opening Unbroken bomb packs, guys. And I'll see you next time. Peace.